In this video, you'll learn how to connect your Notion calendar to Google Calendar. By the end of this guide, you will be able to sync events between these two platforms seamlessly, ensuring you stay organized and up to date. Begin by opening your preferred web browser, such as Google Chrome. This will provide you with the best compatibility for accessing both Notion and Google Calendar smoothly. Once the browser is open, navigate to the Notion website by typing in the URL and pressing enter. After you have accessed Notion, locate and click on the Notion app section within the interface. This section contains various features and integrations, allowing you to manage your calendars effectively. Once you click on this option, a list of available applications should appear, giving you access to your Notion calendar. Next, select Notion Calendar from the list of applications. This will direct you to your calendar interface within Notion, where you can view and manage your events. It is essential to ensure that your Notion calendar is set up correctly before proceeding to connect it to Google Calendar. At this point, verify that Google and Notion are in sync. Look for the settings option on your Notion calendar page and check the synchronization status. If they are not synced, follow the prompts to establish a connection. This step is crucial for ensuring that all your events are correctly shared between the two platforms. Now that your Notion calendar is ready, proceed to open Google Calendar in a new tab. You can do this by entering the Google Calendar URL in the address bar. After loading, you should see your Google Calendar interface where you can manage your events and appointments. Once Google Calendar is open, click on a date where you would like to add an event. This action will open a new event creation window. It is important to choose a date that you want to work with, as this will determine where your new event will be placed in your calendar. In the event creation window, type in the details of your event. Include relevant information such as the event, title, time, and any additional notes. This information is important for keeping your schedule organized and ensuring you do not miss any important appointments. After entering the event details, click on the Save button to finalize the creation of your event. This action will save the event to your Google Calendar, and you should see a confirmation message indicating that your event has been added successfully. Return to Notion by switching back to the tab where you have your Notion calendar open. It is essential to check that the new event you created in Google Calendar appears in your Notion calendar as well. This ensures that both platforms are effectively synchronized. Finally, click on the event in your Notion calendar to view its details. You should see the event synced from Google Calendar, confirming that both calendars are now in sync. This integration allows for better management of your schedule across platforms, making it easier to keep track of your commitments.